Isemzimkhulu eAuckland Park kulapha babika indaba bahlanganisela khona inhloko kuphume ezijujileko nanzi ke sanamhlanje.
Myself and my immediate commander were not seeing eye to eye. There was allegations of theft of exhibits going missing, dockets going missing.
Ipolisa elisebenzela ephikweni lamaHawks KwaZulu-Natal uKhalisanda ufakaze bona ngokwenza umsebenzi wakhe ngempumelelo ukuthi awumbulule indakamizwa ezingasisemthethweni wabonakala njengomuntu ogadanga abanye inzwana.
If I can start with the candidate that received the majority of the votes, that will be Mr. Makashule Ghana.
Ngale Mzansi eParliament uMakashule Ghana ukhethwe njengosihlalo wekomiti yamalunga ama-31 yokubekwa kwamacala ezokuqalana nendaba yephalaphala evuke ngobutsha.
The reasons for these adjustments are the international product prices decreased on average during the period under review despite the slightly higher oil prices.
Abantu abanenkoloyi inyanga umgwengweni bamthoma ngendaba ezimnandi nezimbi ngentengo yepetroli nedizili. Ngelesithathu ipetroli ikhuphuka nge-R1.43 ilitha imhlobo yomibili, kuthi idizili ehle nge-R3.25 ne-R2.62 ilitha kuya ngomhlobo owuthelako.
Taba tsa di-business they are sorted o kona re mo airport re kgona go bona ka nnete ba sepela tlo me ka sure bona re ne ka nnete ba sepela
ba fane ba build yabo it is class of 2026 long leave ba fane long leave.
Bafana nombaduli wayo Hugo Broos umomotheke kwavela lomhlathi nabafika edolweni labo fly i-OR Tambo International Airport ngaphambi kokubamba ufly oya emdlalweni webhigiri yephasi eAmerika. Salotshisa emakhaya nasele kungilesi sikhathi kutsho khona bona lichingile alo angeze lachinga lingana ndaba zalo. Ngingothulani Bongwe ku-SABC1 sibawani samukele. Ipolisa elisebenzela ephikweni lamaHawks KwaZulu-Natal uKhalisanda ufakaze bona umsebenzi omuhle wenzako ukuthi awumbulule indakamizwa ezingasisemthethweni kwaba kokuthi ugadanga abanye enzwaneni. Uthena kabuziswako bona lokho kutsho ukuthini. USanda waveza bona umsebenzi wakhe bewubonakala ubahlalisa kabuhlungu abanye abantu. USanda ungomunye wabofakazi ofakaza ngokwetshiwa kwendakamizwa lapho ezazibekwe khona ePort Shepstone.
Warrant Officer Khalisanda wamaHawks uveze impumelelo ayenzako yokuvumbulula indakamizwa ekwathi nakukhamba isikhathi kwatholakala bona kanti sewuhuga inyoka ngemgodi nayo. Istatement lesi sirara abanengi bona nakakhuluma ngokugadanga inzwani zabanye utsho abalingani bakhe nami.
Did you get to a point where you had reason to suspect that some of your colleagues, whoever they are, may be involved or have an interest in these operations? I'm not asking you to mention names, but to understand what your answer means.
Prior to me being moved, this investigation of the corruption, myself and my immediate commander were not seeing eye to eye due to, let's just say, there was allegations of theft of exhibits going missing, dockets going missing.
Ubufakazi bakhe oburagako buveza bona kwasele kuvikwa ngaye nakuvela amacala yeselabekwe wona bobukhohlakali abekwasikhulu samaHawks KwaZulu-Natal uMajor General Secha Sinona. Usenda uveze bona kwakumacala ekhabenzelwe bona amsuse emaphenyweni bekawenza ngempumelelo ngendakamizwa.
I was accused of supplying or facilitating the supply of narcotics to the Florida Road nightclub syndicates.
Did you ever get an outcome of what the investigation?
No, Commissioner.
Ikomishini le izwe nokuthi usenda ungomunye wamapholisa athathwa yokuhlolwa bona mamala namkha liqiniso lokho ekhabe akukhuluma.
I was a suspect. I was called in, I was polygraphed for it. I was never there. That's all I know about the Port Shepstone matter.
ikomitjhini yaraga nokulalela.
Ilunga leRice Mzansi eParliament uMakashule Gana ukhethwe njengosihlalo wekomiti yamalunga ama-31 yokubekwa kwamacala ezokuqalana nendaba yephalaphala evuke ngobutsha. Ikomiti le yokuphenya ibatsho yokhabe yamnqophisi zombelele wezokuvikeleka kwelizwe uArthur Fraser malungana nokuziphatha kwakamengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ngesikhathi kwejoyi eplasini lakhe iphalaphala.
Indaba le ivuselelwa ngemva kwesiqundo sekhotho ezomthetho sisekelo esitshela iParliament bona ibuyekeza indaba le.
It gives me a great pleasure to announce the outcome of the vote on the election of the chairperson. And if I can start with the candidate that received the majority of the votes, that will be Mr. Makashule Gana. And Dr. Mahlatsi received, Mr. Gana received 19 votes. And Mr. Mahlatsi, Dr. Mahlatsi received 12 votes.
Isikhathi malungana nokuraga kwendaba le asikabe kumenyezelwa.
Umndeni kaMarius van der Merwe ogade yaziwa ngoWitness D ekomitjhinini kaMadlanga ongasekho usamkele isiqundo sekhotho kaMagistrata weBrakpan sokuphikisa isibawo sebheli. Yiloyo solwa ukuthi nguye wadumuzako uWitness D uMatipandile Sotheni. uMagistrata igama lakhe lingakavezwa ngenzathu zokumvikela ukhuphe umyalo ukubana unecala eliqinileko elingathwesa uSotheni uqalene namacala ali-16 nekubalwa kilo icala lokubulala nelokurera iqhinga lokubulala elihlotshaniswa nesehlakalo sokudunyuzwa kwaka-Van der Merwe phambi kukankosikazi zakhe nabantwana.
Ile ikambiso yekhotho ekulalelweni kwesibawo sebheli sikaSotheni lapha kuvele ukuthi uzokuba yingozi begodu angacabhela nabofakazi njengombana lokhu kuhlotshaniswa nokubulawa kwaka-Witness D owethula ubufakazi ekomtjhinini kaMadlanga.
There is likelihood that the applicant, if he were released on bail, he will endanger the safety of any person against whom the offence in question was allegedly committed, or any other particular person, or will commit a Schedule 1 offence, and further that if he were released on bail, he will attempt to influence or intimidate witnesses or to conceal or destroy evidence.
Umndeni kaVan der Merwe ubhalelwe ukuzibamba wakhihla isililo.
Definitely it's a victory, but it's emotional victory. Like, I'm happy at the same time that he didn't get bail.
Iphiko lezokuthuthukiswa komphakathi iNPA isamkele isiqondwesi.
So as the state, we welcome this ruling as we see it as the right step towards the right direction to providing justice for the Van der Merwe family.
Icaleli lokubuyela gode ekhotho mhlamalanga ama-30 kuvela abahlinze.
Inyanga kaMgwengweni le ithoma ngendaba ezivangeneko ebatshayelini. Intengo yepetroli yokukhuphuka khudlwana kuthi yedizili yehle ukubonakala kunayo. Ngelesithathu intengo yepetroli ikhuphuka nge-R1.43 ilitha imhlobo yembili. Kuthi idizili ehle nge-R3.25 ne-R2.62 ilitha kuya ngomhlobo owuthelako.
Umnyango wezenjiwa namandla uqinisekise nokuthi intengo yeparafeni kuqalwe ukuthi yehle nge-R7.95 ilitha ne-R5.96. Kanti intengo yerhasi yehla nge-17 cents ikilogram ilizwe lonke yehle nge-20 cents ikilogram esifundeni seTjingalanga Kapa. Ngokusho komnyango lo ukuthugululwa kwentengo kubangelwe ukuwehla kwentengo emazweni ngamazwe ngesikhathi kubuyekezwa intengo nanyana intengo yeoli isesephezulu nje.
The reasons for these adjustments are the international product prices decreased on average during the period under review, despite the slightly higher oil prices. The rand strengthened against the dollar during the period under review. The amount of general fuel levy relief has been reduced by R1.50 per litre for petrol and by R1.96 per litre for diesel, in line with the announcement by the Minister of Finance.
Nanyana ukuqina kweranda kube nomthelela nje nakho intengo yepetroli ikhuphukiswe ukususwa kwemali yomthelo wembaseli ekwenze ukuthi imali yembaseli ibuyele ebujameni lobu. Umcozululu uViv Govender uthi ukukhibelela intengo yembaseli ngokwehlisa imali yomthelo wembaseli bengeke kurage unomphela.
The billions we're spending a month to kind of, remove this particular, fuel levy for these few months could not continue indefinitely. The South African government needs to have a certain amount of revenue coming in order to basically function, and they could not afford this kind of huge expense going forward.
Umthelo wembaseli uzokubuyela ngokuphelele kwenyanga ezako ngovela bahlinze angeke usakhibelelwa kudu nakukhuphuka nofana kwehla imbaseli.
Umnyango wezombuso ohlanganyela ukuhlaliswa kwabantu nendaba zendabuko eMpumalanga uthi sewuhlale ingchema zobujamo obuyihlekelele kibomasipalata esifundeni sombelele ukuthi sicalane nabo bonke ubujamo obukhabako bokulumatha komlilo ebusika nje. I-Working on Fire Group itshela amalunga omphakathi bona cheche njengoba isikhathi somlilo sesithomile. Ihlangano le ibawe izakhamuzi bona zicheche begodwa zilandele nenyeleliso nazibula umlilo.
Sithomile isikhathi somlilo lapho umlilo mmango ulumatha lula khona. Nonyaka nje isikhathi somlilo kulindeleke bona sibe yingozi khulukhulu njengoba izulu line kangaka phambilini nonyaka. Umnyango wezombuso ohlanganyela nokuhlaliswa kwabantu eMpumalanga uthi sewujame ngokwekhabo lakhona.
When the season starts, we activate all our provincial, district and municipal officials within the fire and disaster space as guided by the existing acts.
I-Working on Fire ithabacima imlilo bayo babandulwe ngokwaneleko malungana nokuzilungiselela isikhathi somlilo ebusikobu.
We are ready. We've got our firefighters, just around 4,000 firefighters at bases throughout the country, ready for our winter fire season.
I-Kruger National Park yelelisa imvakashi bukeli ngekambiso kulawula umlilo ngaphakathi kwesiqikwesi.
This year we are very ready. We have started already in some smaller parts of the park and will be continuing to burn, and we urge our visitors be aware of areas that will have a lot of smoke, but our rangers will be there to control and manage the entire process.
Isikhathi sokulumatha komlilo lindeleke bona siphele ngenyanga uSewula.
Asibuya entolo.
Ona ke khona weya borotho di matafole ke khona supporta bana baka.
Borotho bono bo bakuwa every day, so budula bole fresh.
Sisikimisa inyanga yabantu abatsha ngokuqala ibhizinisi yokubhaka isitolo nesilarha esilinywe lilutsha ngesibonelelo sama-370 esibuya kurhulumente. Indaba sekhona lapha mbukeli kanina zikuphundileko siyatholakala ku-YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X naku-Facebook. Namba sikhamba. Iphasiloke litshwayela ngalamazwe ngamazwe labentwana kanti iSouth Africa itshwaya iveke yokuvikelwa kwabentwana. Imphathimandla zomthetho nenhlangano ezingasingaphasi kwakarhulumente eLimpopo ziveze ukuthonyeka ngomurhwa othuwelela kwabentwana bavela emazweni yabomakhelwane abangena eSouth Africa babodwa nangaphandle kwamaphepha. Umkhandlu ongamele imikhawulo nabe ubambe amajima wegudi wezokuphepha emkhawulweni wabamba impesi ezimbili bezilayitsha abentwana zibaletha eSouth Africa ngongemthetho kanabanye bebabodwa kunganabantu ababagadileko namkha ababelethi abakhamba nabo.
Abantwana abakhamba bodwa beqimkhawula baye kwelinye ilizwe basengozini yokuzithola bathunjwa namkha bakhukuthiswe. Imphathimandla zemkhawulweni zeSouth Africa zifuna amaphepha afana nama-passport, isitifiketi sokubelethwa namaphepha atlikitlwe babelethi avumela abantwana ukuthi beqe umkhawulo. Esikhathini esiningi kubanjwa amaphandla anganamaphepha akhamba nabantwana emlanjeni eLimpopo kanti abanye abantwana abangaphasi kweminyaka eli-18 ubudala beqa umkhawulo bavela eZimbabwe ngaphandle kwabantu abadala ababagadileko. Abantwana ababasiwe emnyangweni wezokuthuthukiswa komphakathi ukuthi bayokuhlolwa khona ngokuphephileko.
We're able to intercept some individuals that were facilitated, on the Zimbabwean side, on our side, and they were actually intercepted by members of the South African National Defence Force. Among those intercepted were 6 children, and of course, as we speak, those children are being brought through into the port, and they are going to be handed over to the colleagues from the Department of Social Development.
Umnyango wezokuthuthukiswa komphakathi eLimpopo uthi unendawo zokuhlalisa abantwana nabantu abatsha esifundeni esizombelele lapha kubekwa khona abantwana abakhamba babodwa. Lokhu kwenzela ukuthi imphathimandla zomnyango lo zenza amahlelo wokuthintanisa abantwana abanemindeni abo emazweni wakwabo.
What we do is that we host them at our child and youth care centers for 72 hours. In that period, we start the process of going to court because we need a court order to put them in our facilities.
Ihlangano yabantwana i-Eye of the Nation ithi nanyana abanye abantwana bezeSouth Africa ukuzokufuna umsebenzi abanye basetshenziselwa ukubawa izinto endleleni babelethi babo. Ihlangano le ikhombelene bezomthetho ukuthi baqinise zokuphepha emkhawulweni.
We are all alarmed by reports of unaccompanied minors entering South Africa to seek work or being forced into exploitative situation, including child labor and prostitution.
Nakusesenjalo umnyango wezokuthuthukiswa komphakathi uthi abanye abantwana bakhamba bodwa batholwa nemphakathini.
Inyanga kaMgwengweni inyanga yokugidinga indima yelutsha eSouth Africa. Kile nyanga sizokunande sikuphakulela indaba zelutsha elenza umehluko esitshabeni. Sivula ngelutsha le-Everton evale kuba abantu abangaphezulu kwe-1,200 ebebafumana isibonelelo sikahulumende sama-350 ngaleso sikhathi. Babona kungcono ukuthi bathome ihlelo lokubeka imali ebalibiza nge-stokvel bona bakwazi ukuzivulela ibhizinisi. Bathe sebayihlanganisile imali bavula ibhaka. Abantu abayijayele lokuthi iBakery ibhaka le eyathi ngathomisa ukusebenza yagcina seyikhona ukuvula enye ibhizinisi yesitolo nesilahla. Ama-350 wesibonelelo sikahulumende bebawabeka ngaphasi kwestokvel esibulunga imali isicholo investment esivumela abasisi bemali ukuthi bakhona ukuhlomula izabelo ngemalabo. Mbekindaba we-SABC uDlozi Mnisi uvukele lapho ayokuba lihlo lethu nakuniywa ubrotho bekuseni.
Ichata olizwa lapha midumo yemchini ekiniya iflori yokubhaga ubrotho nekuthalo yemsebenzi yezandla ekuthwaya ikhambelicha ebasebenzini bebhagale ethonywe babantu abatsha ngemali eyafika ngemva kokwehla kwengogwana i-COVID-19. Ibhagale isinkwa sethu yibhizinisi elithonywe ngokubuthelelwa kwemali yesibonelelo sikahulumende ama-370 okuphenduke impumelelo yebhizinisi ebhaga beyithumele ubrotho emphakathini we-Everton. Ngaphakathi kwehlelo lokukhiqizwa kobrotho yikuthalo yabasebenzi abavuka ngesamarimarima ukuqinisekisa ukuthi ukubhagwa kobrotho bufinyelela emashelfini ngesikhathi qobe lilanga. Nekulithuba abantu batsho bayalithabela njengombana bakhona ukuqotha ukatsu eziko.
Isinkwa sethu sishintshile uphilo ba ka holo ausi hona tse ke khona weya borotho di matafole ke khona support abana baka
yazi incede kakhulu mina isinkwa sethu since ngasebenzi from besenginonyaka nje kungcono kakhulu mangabe sekunzima bese ngasakhona so manje sengikhona ukubeka isinkwa etafuleni.
Ihlelo lisungulwe nguSibusiso Ntsele obone ihwebo elingafukula umnotho emphakathini lo lisuse ilutsha endleleni lapha eligcina lisebenzisa indakamizwa beluhuhulwe namatshwala. Untsele uthi iBakery le ivulele ilutsha elimachuma-48 imisebenzi uthi lokhu kusiza ukuqeda umtlhago nokungasebenzi kwelutsha.
Bakery initiative ya isinkwa sethu ihirile batho ba 40 in total. Hona le di-driver mo, hona le bana ba sebetsang ka mona ka bakery, hona le bana ba sebetsang ka mona ka isinkwa sethu grocery.
Amakhastama ababaza obumnandi bobrothobu athi akathengi omunye umhlobo wobrotho afuna obhagwa lapha. Nangaphandle kokuthi bumnandi abantu bababaza okuchipa kwabo.
Burotho bono bo bakuwa every day so budula bo le fresh ke ka ho ke ya bothabela
ya bo enjoy ha isali ithoma this thing ya sinkwa sethu ha re sa ya kae kapa kae re tla mmona ke reke sinkwa sethu.
Konke lokhu esikubona lapha kuthome ngokuhlanganisa imali yesibonelelo sikahulumende ama-370 kwaphenduka iBakery yokubhaga obrotho evulele ilutsha langapha nge-Everton imisebenzi. Lokhu bakwenze ngokubambana nokusebenzisana. Akusibrotho nje kwaphela kodwana kukubuyiswa kwesithunzi nokuqotha ukatsu eziko. Endabeni ze-SABC nginguDlozi Mnisi ngibika ngise-Everton eJohannesburg.
Asicale umbono wakho mbukeli ngelutsha elihlanganisa imali yalo yama-350 lasungula ibhaka bathothuka bavula isupermarket nesilahla. Nakumbono wakho mbukeli uyalandela ngendaba le.
inqubekela phambili ikhona kongathi ngabanye bangeza kunjalo nje.
Ngathi nabanye bangafunda kibo laba bange-Everton.
Sethembe nabanye bazokwazi ukubonela kulesi senzo sihle kangaka sokucabanga nokuba nomqondo nje ukuthi uma uthola imali encane ukwazi ukuthi izalanise.
Ungayinyazi into encane kusho ukuthi kusehlizweni nakho ukuthi yini into oyifuna empilweni.
Umbono omhle kakhulu lo ngomisebenzi inqabile wana 35 unyuka usaqashwa ngazi ba kusithiwa phila ngantoni.
Yakho ngokuthi kusesekhona intsha elungile la ngaphandle. Hayi siyabona.
Into ebeyifuze yenziwe ma-tuck shop la amancane wabantu abanzima kube nalasi stoka khona i-supermarket eyodwa sizoyisupporta.
Batshengisa nalabo babalabalako ukuthi imali le incane bayisebenzisa etshwaleni ukuthi imali le ingabe incane mari ngakwenzela into enkulu.
Abakhuthali njengomuhlo bangahlalela utshwala abantu abatsha ngama-250.
Nathi abanye asithatheni isifundo kulokhu sisithuthukise thina.
Umbono wonke umbukeli SABC ayizokuthwesa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono umbukeli. Ngezemali iranda lehlile nalenganiswa nezinye imali ezinkulu. Bafana nombanduli Hugo Broos bafike bamomotheka edolweni labo Fly eOR Tambo International Airport ngaphambi kokubamba isiphaphamtshini esiya eAmerica lasiyokudlala khona iphaliswano leFIFA World Cup. Umengameli weSAFA uDanny Jordan nombanduli webafana Hugo Broos bathokoza ukuthi bebanikelwa amavisa labalandeli bafikile edolweni labo Fly eOR Tambo nabe bazoyilayelisa.
These are experienced players. You saw Mamelodi Sundowns going into the Lions' Den in Morocco, and they had the grit and the determination to see it through. So it's not the first time that they have these problems, but we believe that they will use that as extra motivation to do well.
We are now 1 day later, but that cannot influence the adaptation on high altitude. If it should be in 2 or 3 days, it would be a big problem. But now, tomorrow we are there and we can start to adapt. So it's not really that problem that we are 1 day later.
Bafana asemitlahi re Mexico to make a show al fazo warner na Republic na Mexico and Saudi Arabia. So re a kwa go dira moshomo go tshwentse go dire go tshwentse thabisa into ma Africa borwa ba latedi ka felarna ha tsene stoppa sa Africa borwa. Let's make sure gore ne ka nete ka mithala matjatji re thala bana go le batho ba re ka stoba tlogela gone jwale taba tsa di visa di sorted o kona re mo airport re kgona bona ka nete ba sepela tlo me ka shore bona re ne ka nete ba sepela ba Mexico le USA.
Siyababongela sethu kubo abangenanga pekto abasibonise ukuthi benzani bangadaleli bona badaleli umzansi and bafakamise country yethu. What I'm going to tell you ukuthi asafuna indaba class of 1996 bafana ba build yabo it class of 2026 long live bafana long live.
Siyaloshisa ekhaya ngomvulo napho ubujamo bakho bezulu sibona umoya omakhaza nakya uchingela ngale endaweni zangale ngejinga langa Kapa okutsho khona ukuthi kusasa kungenzeka kube makhaza kuleza ndawo kanti ke ngapha kusuka eBloemfontein uchinge eMahikeng ngapha ngePitori uchinga lapha ePulukwane sibona lapha ligubuzese ngamafu phakathi nendawo ke yeSouth Africa ke sibona lapha ke livulile nakya ke umoya lo makhaza njengoba khe ngatsho uphekelela izulu nge3% kileza ndawo zabo Cape Town ukuchinga ngale ke ngeGqeberha uchinge ngalapha eMtata kanti ke uthi uyacala phakathi nenaga yeSouth Africa lisagubuzese ngamafu njalo asikatholisile mukiso kodwa na ke sokucalela lapha amazinga okuchisa sithoma ngapha ngesifundeni sangapha ngeGauteng sibona lapha ePitori nge20 Bronkhortspruit nge21 Springs nge22 Johannesburg nge21 okutsho khona ukuthi kupholile kanti ke lapha eVereeniging khona ke kumakhaza pheze imini yonke nge18 ngemva kwamadina sokucalela lapha ke isifunda sangale ngeLimpopo lifuthumele Thohoyandou lapha eGiyani nePhalaburwa nge26 neTzanini kanti ke lapha eMkopane nge24 lifuthumele endaweni zangale singalenge ngeBhilabhila nakhona ke lifuthumele kuthi ke ezinye indawo lipholile kodwa endaweni eziningi ngaleke ngeLimpopo ke lifuthumele. Socala lapha isifunda seMpumalanga sisibona ke sipholile endaweni eziningi ngemva kwamadina kulapha isikhukhuza lapho kufuthumele khona indawo zamalahleni Sekunda nge20 njalo kubomhlanga kuphole kuya ngokufuthumala. Siyocala lapha ke esifundeni sangalenga kwaZulu Natal sisibona ke ngale ngeRichards Bay lifuthumele nge28 lapha eDurban nge26 kupholile Kokstad nge21. Siyocala isifunda sangaleke ngeMpumalanga Kapa sibonakala lapha iWillow neMalitswayi kumakhaza pheze imini yonke imthatha iyafuthumela kuKompo lipholile neCeberha nge21. Asiyesifundeni sangaleke ngale ngeJingalanga Kapa limakhaza njengoba sibone umoya uchitela endaweni eziningi eFredendal ke khona kubuya nganeno iCape Town makhaza imini yonke neHalmanas nalapha ke eCape Agalas ngaleke ngeTlagwini Kapa lifuthumele lapha eUppington kwezinye indawo pheze zonke kupholile iSutherland neCalvina zimakhaza nge17 ne19 ngokulandelana kwazo. iFreystata ke leya ebonakala lapha endaweni ezifana neGaribdam neViepenar eFixburg kumakhaza nalapha eBethlehem kuthi kezinye indawo zipholile nangemva kwamadina. Kokugcina sifunda sangaleke ngeNorthwest endaweni eziningi kilesa sifunda ke sipholile iMahikeng nge21. Asibonane kodwa ngesikhathi esilandelako. Dido.